Hello world, I'm Dante Bell and I'm in George Stewart's 9 a.m. morning physics class. And my project today is potential energy and kinetic energy. Now, the materials I'm using today will be a 10-pound medicine ball and a hanger, which will play as my bow and arrow, will play as my bow, and this knife will play as my arrow. Now, all these objects I have right now, and they all at rest, no motion, they all chilling. They're in a state of mind where they want to just chill right now. They don't really want to move, they don't want to go nowhere unless I decide to act upon that to move these objects. You know. So the first object we're going to use now is object A. I'm going to show you from this ball, this 10-pound ball being in at rest with no state of motion, don't have no plans on moving until I move the ball. So the ball right now has a lot of potential to do work. But once I move this ball, now it transfers from potential to kinetic energy. Now when I drop this ball on the ground, it's gonna go into a state of motion. Now, that ball dropped, it went from potential to kinetic. Now, if you didn't understand that one, I have another experiment for you. I have my bow and arrow, and my knife. Now, when I launch this, when I put my knife to this hanger, my fault, it's going to store, once I draw this knife back on this hanger, it's going to store all the energy. It's going to save it. And then it's going to recall, as soon as I let it go, the potential is going to change into kinetic energy. You see? Now, it moved from a state of being at rest into motion. Now, by this being potential, it turned my knife into kinetic. Now we're gonna we gonna have a recap on what I just taught you. Okay. The ball, we all realize that potential energy is whatever that's chilling, and then it has the potential to do work, but it needs an external force to make it do work. So, and with that 10-pound ball, when I act on that ball and push the ball down, it went from potential to kinetic energy. And the ball and the hanger project experiment I showed you was the potential energy of the drawn hanger equals to the work drawing the bow in position when the pencil release most of the potential energy of the hanger will become kinetic energy to the pencil. Thank you for watching my experiment, and see you next time.